Balut is a developing bird embryo that is boiled and eaten from the shell. It originated from and is commonly sold as street food in the Philippines. Live cobra heart is not a common thing to eat, but some in Vietnam do it. Many young tourists come to Vietnam and think that this kind of activity is part of Vietnamese culture. Cuy, one of Peru's most famous dishes, is not for the faint of heart. It's fried or roasted guinea pig, and it's a Peruvian delicacy. Scorpions do have poisonous stings, but you're able to eat them. In China, the way that they handle the poison is that they stir-fry them very quickly in very hot oil. So in a matter of seconds the proteins that make up the poisons are rendered harmless.
Apparently for the longest time, Vietnamese women have been eating rat meat, not because they have no other choice, but because they love it.
Fried spider is a regional delicacy in Cambodia. In the Cambodian town of Skuon, the vending of fried spiders as a specialty snack is a popular attraction for tourists passing through this town. The fugu is a fish famous for its ability to kill, if it's not prepared right. Frog legs are one of the better-known delicacies of French and Chinese cuisine. The legs of edible frogs are also consumed in other parts of the world. If you think caviar is weird, then get a hold of shirako. This Japanese delicacy is the male counterpart to caviar, or milk, the sperm sacs of male fish. The type of fish used is usually cod, anglerfish, or pufferfish. The unassuming cream-colored sacs are commonly served in Japanese restaurants. Wonder why would one want to eat a penis? Well, it's not just the yak penis, but cow, sheep, donkey, dog, deer, all these animals' penises are an actual dish in China. These penises taste like bitter calamari and are often dipped in soy sauce and eaten. Rocky Mountain oysters, also known as prairie oysters in Canada, also calf fries, is a dish made of cattle testicles. The organs are often deep-fried after being peeled, coated in flour, pepper and salt, and sometimes pounded flat. This delicacy is most often served as an appetizer. Most dog meat is consumed in China, South Korea, and Vietnam, and it is still eaten or is legal to be eaten in other countries throughout the world.
Cat meat is meat prepared from domestic cats for human consumption. Some countries eat cat meat regularly, whereas others have only consumed cat meat in desperation during wartime or poverty.
Thanks for watching another Random Rumble production. If you like the content you see, and don't want to miss out on the latest uploads, then subscribe today. It is 100% free.